still struggling because I was so frustrated. I was like, I gotta do something. Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jimmy. This video it's about my new natural hair journey. I started locking my hair a little bit over 6 months ago. In this video, I will be sharing with you what my thoughts are, why did I lock it, and how am I enjoying it. So in a way, to introduce my Microlocs to you. If you've been watching me for a little bit, you will know that natural hair video is my thing. But for the past couple years, I just couldn't do it because I had shoulder injury, and that lapsed into me starting nursing school. I just couldn't make YouTube video. I couldn't even do what I love to do to my own natural hair. Mostly, I put my hair under the wig. But still, it still does not mean that I will not do my wash every 2 weeks. That every 2 weeks become every 3 weeks, and then it become a month. And when I get to that point, I realize that I need to find something else to do with my hair. I started having a thought about Microlocs. Is it gonna be sister locks? I learned the difference between both, and I was like, nah, I'd rather do something where I can manage myself because I love to do my own hair. I decided that I want to do it, and I had a conversation with one of my friends that can help me do it. But 2 to 3 times I chicken out. I would like change my mind. And one of the reasons why I was doing this is because I wasn't sure if that's what I want. Before the last couple years, I have never had a thought about me locking my hair. So that's a new thought to me. So I wasn't sure. I was like chicken out and all of that. But eventually I started researching. If I have little time here and there, I started researching on what is it about. And what got me is when I went on Pinterest, and then I found a video through Pinterest that led me to Instagram. I became obsessed with this Microlocs. I just love it. The only thing that I do not want for me at the time when I was thinking about this is I do not want it to be too small because I felt like it's going to be falling off. That was one of the reasons why I still did not make my as micro as it can be because of the fear of just breaking off, or just if something pull it, or if I pull it too much it can fall. But anyway, I was so busy with school. It was so frustrating. It was during summer. To make up for doing my hair, I would just put my hair under the wigs. I would wear it several times. I was doing good. But when the heat of Texas hit, I was like looking, like desperate looking. One day I finished washing my hair and I just was like, you know what, today's the day. I'm just gonna do it. But even at that point, I was not sure if I was gonna keep it, which is one of the reasons why I did not pick up my camera to do a video. I decided to do something between 250 and 300 2-strand twist. So but then I end up falling between that. I think I was like 290 something, but eventually I combined few of them. One of my friends that helped me to retire one time combined few. So currently in my head, I have 285 2-strand twists that is locking. Another thing, I did not put too much plan into doing my hair. It's so frustrated. I need to do something. So I just grabbed comb. I didn't even use gel. I did put some oil in my scalp. I didn't put no product on it. I was just doing my hair while I was studying. I started my 2-strand twist June 6th, and I didn't finish it until the 12th of June. Guys, I love it. It makes my life easy. I don't have to do too much. I just put my hair in the bonnet or just wrap it up and wake up in the, I just spray some water in my hair and I'm good to go. And I just shake my hair, I'm gone. And the day that I want to do back, I just can pull it back. I can do center of my hair, which really I did not put too much effort. Look at that. This one right here, that I don't know. I don't even know where it's supposed to go. But oh well, it's still locking. Microlocs is still locking. So I really love my hair. I enjoy my hair. Normally during winter, I like to hibernate my natural hair. But guess what? I don't have to do that. I just go about my day like this. I really love it. I'm enjoying my hair. I'm so happy that I went this route. There's a lot of things that I could have done better, but so far I don't have no complaint, because I can imagine if I still struggling, because I was so frustrated. I was like, I gotta do something. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below if you have anything for me. If you have any question, it doesn't matter. If you want to share your journey with me, let me know in a comment. If you have Microlocs, what makes you decided to go for it? And if you do not, are you thinking about it? Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.